I was here to kind of talk about the Nordhaven 475. We've got one boat in the water right now. It's owned by a friend of ours that is now the boat's up in Long Beach. The 475, as you guys probably know, is a longer version of the very popular Nordhaven 43. And we saw a few things we could improve in that boat. And so we stretched it out to 47.5 feet, which gave it a bigger salon, bigger cockpit. The boat is way quieter than the 43 because we stretched out the keel and the prop is sitting way back from the dead wood of the keel. It's the perfect boat for a couple going to Alaska, going up the intercoastal waterway on the East Coast. It's a perfect couple boat with occasional couple as a guest or some kids along for the ride.